How to set up a high converting leads and sales funnel in 72 hours, step by step. In this video, do you want to know the secret to making your business run like a well-oiled machine? Imagine waking up tomorrow and boom, your leads are rolling in, your sales are climbing, and you're not spending hours chasing after customers anymore. Sounds like magic? Doesn't sound like magic, right? Well, I'm here to tell you it's not magic. It's called digital marketing, and with AI today, it's so much more easier. I'm going to show you. It's also the exact reason I've been able to make a successful career out of something that started as a small, curious step into the world of digital marketing back when I was graduating college 18 plus years ago. But don't just take my word for it. Keep watching. Let me show you exactly how you can set up a high converting leads and sales funnel in just 72 hours. Yes, you heard that right. In 3 days, whether you are a starter, a beginner, an advanced person, a coach, a course creator, a business owner, and you want to go digital, or a solopreneur, try to break into the world of digital space. This is going to make the game so much easier for you. My name is Ola, and welcome to today's guide. I've had my fair share of highs and lows, but one thing that has always paid me handsomely is my digital marketing skills. In fact, I wrote a whole book called Digital Marketing Certified that I'll give you for free at the end of this video. It's a step-by-step guide for all entrepreneurs. Whether you're just starting or looking to take your business to the next level. But enough about that for now. Let's get into the juicy details of building that high converting sales funnel, shall we? Let's start with the basics. What's a sales funnel? Before we dive in, let me quickly break it down. A sales funnel is like a journey you take your customers on. Think of it like a slide at the playground, right? Your leads are at the top of the slide, ready to go down into your world of products and services. But they need a little push. They need a little push to make sure they come down the slide and land in the right spot. Your bank account. Your funnel is like the slide that guides them all the way to a successful sale. And the best part, you don't need to be there in person to make it happen. That's the power of an automated leads and sales funnel. So let's get started. We'll make sure that by the end of this video, you'll be able to set up your own high converting funnel in 3 days. Stick around, and I'll also show you how to book a complimentary consultation with me so you can take your business or entrepreneur journey into the next level. Step 1, decide what type of leads and sales funnel to use. Now, you're probably wondering, Ola, where do I even start? The first step is to decide what types of leads and sales funnels you want to create. This is a crucial decision because not all funnels are created equal. The funnel you choose depends on your available resources, time, ads budget, and the customer journey flow. Here's the thing, there are a lot of different funnels out there, but for this process, let's keep it simple. You can choose one of the most popular types of funnels. 1, a lead generation funnel. This funnel is designed to get leads, or something you might call a potential customer, into your world. Think of it as an introduction. It's a great way if you have a low budget and want to focus on nurturing relationships before making an actual sales. In fact, it's the fastest way to sell if you have low budget. 2, sales funnel. If you've got a product or service that's ready to go, a direct sales funnel is the way to go. This funnel takes someone from awareness of your product all the way to purchasing. It's a great way if you have businesses with an established product offering or budget for ads. Then number 3, webinar funnel. Webinars are powerful tools for selling high-ticket items. If you're a coach, a course creator, a webinar funnel is your best friend. It's a perfect blend of lead generation and high-ticket sales. So look at your resources and determine which funnel is best suited for you. Don't worry, I'll guide you through the step by step. Step number 2. Map out the ideal customer journey into landing pages. Now that you've chosen your funnel, it's time to map out your customer journey. The best way to do this is by creating landing pages. These are the stops along the slide that guide your potential customers down to the final sale. Think of these landing pages as the pit stops where your leads get more and more excited about buying your product. You need to map out how your customer is going to go from one landing page to another. For example, if you're using a lead generation funnel, right? The first landing page might be a freebie offer, like a downloadable guide, maybe a digital version of a book, a report. Then you might send them to a thank you page with a video introducing your business, of course yourself, if you will. And after that, you could have a page where you offer a low-priced product or a free consultation. Each page should smoothly guide your lead from one step to the next. Think about the flow of your funnel like a dance. Each page needs to keep the rhythm going to ensure your lead isn't lost. Step number 3, create compelling copy for high conversion. Through each phase of the funnel, you have a copy, right? And you want to write the copy. Copywriting is the heart of writing words that sell. If your copy is boring and unclear, your leads won't know what to do next. You need to make sure that each landing page and each step in your funnel has a clear call to action or CTA. And don't just tell them, show them. For example, when writing copy for your lead generation funnel, you might say something like, want to learn how to skyrocket your sales? Or something like, download my free guide and start growing your business today. This makes the reader feel like they're getting something valuable right away. If you're working on a webinar funnel, the copy could say something like, join my exclusive webinar to learn the 5 secret strategies that can double your revenue in the next 30 days. Every part of your funnel needs to feel compelling. And don't forget to use clear, bold CTAs, call to action like download now or book your free spot, and guide your leads to take action. Step 4, set up the landing pages and page elements. Now that you've got your map and your copy, it's time to put everything together. You can use platforms like GetResponse, Go High Level, or GHL, ClickFunnels, Lead Pages, Member Miles, or even simple WordPress pages with plugins like Elementor. The goal here is to make your landing pages simple, clean, and easy to navigate. Don't overcomplicate things. A high converting page doesn't need to be packed with info. Instead, focus on creating clear, simple designs with a single call to action. Have a strong headline, a brief description of what they will get, and then that irresistible call to action. And don't forget to include testimonials, videos, and trust badges to build credibility. Keep in mind that the design of your page plays a big role in converting leads. If it looks unprofessional or it's hard to read, your leads might bounce before you even have the chance to impress them. Step number 5, connect the landing pages into the leads and sales funnel. Now that your pages are ready, it's time to connect them. This is the part where everything starts to click. Within your funnel building platform, you'll connect the landing pages so that once someone opts in or clicks on a call to action, they're automatically moved to the next stage of the funnel. This is where the magic happens. By automating the funnel, you can get leads, nurture them, and make sales while you sleep. How cool is that? Once your funnel is connected and running, you'll have a client or a customer acquisition system that works for you 24/7. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you can set up a high converting leads and sales funnel in 72 hours. But wait, before you go, here's my strong call to action if you're ready to take your business to the next level. I want to offer you a 100% done for you high converting leads and sales funnel. Now, you can get started. All you have to do to get started is simply book a complimentary consultation with me or my team at www.digitalmarketingcertified.com or with the link in the description. You will also get a free copy of my book, a free digital copy of this book, Digital Marketing Certified, which is packed with all the info you need to skyrocket your digital marketing efforts. Or if you just want the book, you can still grab it. There's a link in the description for that. So before you go, I want to leave you with a question. Here's a question that I have for you. What's the biggest challenge you're facing in setting up your sales funnel? Let me know in the comments below, and I'm happy to chime in and let's talk about how we can solve it together. Don't forget to hit like, share, subscribe, follow so you never miss out on more tips to grow your business. There's many more. And thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll see you on the next one.